Okay, May the 8th, 2014. Garlic's coming along. We haven't had a drop of rain about 6-8 months. So, been watering. Fixing to give it one more water. And I think you're supposed to kind of let it dry out a couple of weeks before you harvest. So I'm going to try to harvest the end of May. This row right here, I tried to cut the scapes off just to see if it makes a difference in the size of the bulbs. Still got a few coming up. Been eating a few of them. They're really good sauteed with sausage and onions and jalapenos. And then these scapes are coming on up. Got some blooms coming on. Got their little top hat. Comes off. All this in here has gotten pretty dry. Gets the worst water. Look here. Axis deer. I haven't really seen any evidence that axis deer are eating anything, or whitetail, but they sure could be nibbling at it. It's about the only thing green around here. So that's status of the garlic, just for the record.